Hi, in this lesson we are going to add some of the important elements such as logo and company names to our dashboard. So this is the dashboard that we have been doing. Okay, so 4 scorecard we have made. This is another scorecard I have also created, that is the total number of transactions. That means I have added a field and the total count what I have done, that count options I have selected. Okay. So now in this lessons what we are going to do, we are going to add a text box, that is the name of the company, and the image, that means the logo of the company I am going to create. So this is the text box what we can do. So we have insert option here, then now after that we have to select this text box. So click here, then we can write here the name of the company, such as ABC Retail. We will write as ABC Retail. ABC Retail will write. So formatting is here. This is the font type. We can increase the font, like we can make it uh, 36. Okay. So this is the font. Then we can make it also bold. So this is what we are going to add here. So we have added the name of the company. So what we will do? So we will see some of the effect, like nothing to do here. Then title. So what we will do? We will try to see some of the effect. We background will change, like background color we will make it a little colorful, like we can select this, or a little lighter we will do, like we will keep it like this. Okay, so this is what we are going to select. So we will keep it here closer to the scorecard. We will bring it. Okay, so we can bring it closer to the scorecard. Yes, we have done it. So next thing that we are going to add a what do you call a logo, company logo. So we can, here there is a logo. So this is a logo, like we can these are important, especially when we are building a scorecard. Sometimes it is, suppose we are making a presentations of the company, and these are the requisites. Okay, so we can add all this. So this is how we can create logo, and we can also write the name of the company. Okay. These are the important elements in a dashboard we should bear in mind. That's for the lessons. I will see you in the next one.